Hi everybody. So I wanted to make a video. I'm going to try and keep this short. Um, First thing, if you go to my YouTube channel, I have a lot of videos on there that pertain to my courses, so you can see information there. But what I was wanting to show you is, so I had a question about MLA citation for the works cited, and really I'm asking you to use the library database. And so you could also use the book, the hub, but by using the library database, you're going to be able to use the cite button that is on the article. So here is how I want you to do that. And then I'm just searching for full text, and I'm just going to type happiness and or well-being. I'm going to find, okay, so for example, I'm going to this first one, evaluation of curriculum, even though it's not relevant to what I'm doing, just as an example. And then over here in this ribbon right here, I have this cite button, I believe right there. When I click the cite button, it says citation formats, and I scroll down to MLA 9th edition, and I'm just going to copy that, and then I would paste it into a Word document, and then it's in the right, has the hanging indentation, and it has all the right information. So ideally you get these sources from the database and just copy that. If you're using the book, you're going to have to go to Purdue OWL, like if you're using like the hub, and you would go here for MLA formatting, MLA formatting on Purdue OWL. Skip that, you don't want to use that citation machine, and then you're going to do electronic sources, MLA works cited electronic sources. You're not citing a website, not an ebook. Okay. Citations for ebooks are closely resemble those for physical books. So this is where you find your information about how to cite the ebook. Okay. It's right here under MLA works cited electronic sources. All right, let me know if you have questions about how to cite. Also, I'm going to put up a link for how to use MLA format on Microsoft Word online version and the actual version, software version.